Hey friends, so I want you to take a very closer look on this application on my mobile phone that can make you up to $1,000 just by selling photos that you take from your mobile phone. Just imagine you take different photos on your mobile phone, then you can make up to $1,000 a month, up to $3,000 a month. And the very good thing about this is that these applications are available all over the world, and most of these applications I think you have never had before. So in this video, I'll be happy to show you how these platforms are going to pay you by selling your photos that you take from your mobile phone. And I'm pretty sure that everyone can do this. This can be the only way for you to make more than $1,000 just by selling your photos from your mobile phone. So let's now dive in and see how this works. Alright, so our very first website is called 500 Pics, and the very good thing about this website is that you really don't need to have special skills. You can take pictures of different things. It can be pictures about nature, images of all the people from your community. If you take them pictures and go ahead and sell on this platform is going to buy your photos, and you can start making money just by doing that. This platform is very trusted platform. As you can see, there are a lot of red comments on this platform. A lot of people are making insane amount of money just by selling different pictures that you can take from your mobile phone. So you can also go to this website. All you want to do right now, you have to go to this website, then you have to click this place which is written as sign up. Then you can sign up with your Facebook account if you have, and if you have Google account also, you can just sign up on this application, and you can start making up to $1,600 a month. People are making up to $1,000 a month just by selling different pictures that they have on their mobile phones, and they think that these pictures are very attractive and can attract different people to watch these pictures and be interested in that. So if you really think you can make money just by selling pictures, you have to go to this website which is called 500 Pics, and you can start making money. So this next website is very interesting, and this website is gonna buy your photo for $74. So just imagine that you're gonna sell more than 10 photos on this platform. You can make up to $740 just on the platform. But this is what you have to do. You have to go outside and you can take a picture of your environment. You just have to make sure that you take very high quality pictures, and if you are posting on this application, people will start loving your pictures and buy your pictures, and you can make a reasonable amount of money. So all you want to do right now, you have to go to this website which is called Fine Art America, and you have to click this place which is written as join. Then you have to click artists and photographers. Then you have to provide any necessary information that is asked on this platform. After that, you can be able to sell your photos on this platform. This one is very trusted. I'm pretty sure that if you're really good at taking quality pictures, you're gonna make up to $740 just on the platform. So let's now move to the next platform. Our next application is called Deposit Photos. So if you really love animals or you love going to beach, you can go ahead and start taking pictures of animals. You can go ahead and start taking pictures of beaches, areas, and if you do that, this platform is going to allow you to sell your photos on this platform. But before that, this platform is just going to test you, is just going to give you examination, and you can upload your best photos. So if they're just going to confirm you to join on this platform, you can start selling your photos and videos on this platform. You can absolutely make up to $2,000 on the platform. So I really encourage you, just have to make sure that you go into this platform and join. But the bad thing about this platform, they're just going to give you examination first. They just need to really understand that if you're really good at taking pictures, so if you're good, they can approve you to start taking pictures and sell on this platform. So let's now dive into the next platform. So this next website is called SmugMug, and the very good thing and what I really like about this platform is that they take care of everything. So if you're really good at taking pictures, and you can take good pictures and upload on this platform, you can choose if you want to sell your pictures for $100 or $200. You are the one who gets to choose how much you want to sell your pictures on this platform. But the other good thing about this is that this platform is going to connect you with different customers who may want to buy your photos. So this website is going to handle everything like customer care services, delivery, and everything. So all you want to do right now, you just have to click here and get started to sell your photos on this platform, which is called SmugMug. Alright, so our next platform is called FOP, and I'm very excited about this platform because I just joined on this application and I was so excited to know that you can make up to $500, you can make up to $1,000, and just by selling your photos on this platform you can get paid a reasonable amount of money. I've seen a lot of people and I've seen good comments about this application, so I really recommend, before go ahead and try all these websites, you really have to try to this website, because I just downloaded this and I'm now testing this to see how much I can make just by selling different photos from my mobile phone. And the good thing about this platform is that if you join on this platform, there are a lot of competitions, and if you win these competitions you get paid up to $2,000, up to $5,000. And this platform is trusted by very big brands like Coca-Cola, Pepsi. There are too many big brands are trusting this platform, so it's very easy to get paid on this platform. It's very easy to make money on this platform. So all you want to do right now, you just have to download this application on your mobile phone, and this application is available all over the world. You can start making money on FOB right away. So I will just come back to you and I will be transparent and I will show you how much I've just made just by selling different photos that I have on my mobile phone. And if I sell these photos, I'll just come back to you and tell you how much I got from this application. So for now I'm just trying this, and I really recommend you just have to go ahead and try this application, because you can also start making money on this application, which is very simple to use and is available all over the world. Our last websites are Pixabay, Pexels, and Unsplash. You know, these are the websites that are providing free videos and images. So you're actually not going to get paid on this platform, but if you're just going to upload these free videos and these free images on this platform, you can be in position to get sponsors and brand deals. But also, if you're really good at taking pictures, you can get donation from people who are going to download your videos for free or download your pictures for free. They can thinking about giving you tip or donation. So there are a lot of people who are receiving donation on this platform. If they're just providing good pictures with high quality, they receive really good donation on this platform. So if you think you just want to provide value, but also you just want to do this thing for free, you can just go on this platform. You can see how people are talking about your images, you can see how people are talking about your pictures, and if they're really interested about your work, they can start donating money for you, and they can start giving you tip, and you can start making money just by doing that. So thanks so much for watching my videos, and I really hope that you are just gonna try these methods of making money just by taking photos from your mobile phone. And I want to tell you one thing again, you really don't have to expect you can make up to $3,000. You can make up to $5,000 just by taking photos on your mobile phone, but you can make a minimum amount, at least $500 up to $1,000 and something like that. So I really hope that you're just going to take your time and try these methods, and I really hope that this is really going to work out for you, because before recording this video I just had to make sure that I do research on all these websites on how much you can get paid, but also if they're really legit and if you can really make money just on this website. So thank you so much and see you next time.